Exercise 7.2. First question. Find the point which divides the line segment joining these 2 points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay. Given points are A -1, 7 and B 4, -3. Okay. One point is there which is dividing these 2 points. That is, there is a line segment. Okay. This is A and this is B. And P is any point on this line which is dividing A and B in the ratio 2:3. Okay. So for this we have to use the section formula. P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Whenever there is a divide or ratio is there, so we have to use this formula. Okay, where m1 m2 are nothing but ratio. This is m1 and this is m2. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2 are nothing but this x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so let P of x comma y be the point which divides the line in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so this is m1 and this is m2, x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so m1 is how much? 2 into x2 is 4. 2 into 4 plus m2 is 3. x1 is how much? -1. So 3 into -1 upon m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3, comma m1 2 into y2 is -3 plus m2 3 into y1 is 7. Okay, by m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 3. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, plus into minus, minus 3 1s are 3 upon 2 plus 3 is 5, comma 2 3s are 6 plus 3 7s are 21 by 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 5, comma 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Okay, 1 upon 1 is nothing but 1. 5 ones are 5 3s are. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 3, 1 comma 3. Therefore the point P of x comma y is equals to 1 comma 3. Second question, find the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Here 2 points are given. That is nothing but this is A point and this is B. Okay, this is A and this is B. Points of trisection means it is dividing the line in 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have to find the points of trisection of the line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, so for trisection we have to take the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. See, A, B. If we want to find P point, then it is dividing this AB in the ratio 1 and here how much? 2. Okay, if we want to find Q, then it is dividing in the ratio here 2 and here 1. Okay, so for P point we are using 1:2. P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, where m1 m2 are nothing but ratio 1:2. Okay, again we have to find 2:1 for Q point. Okay, A and B is nothing but 4, -1 and -2, -3. So the point P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 is 1 into x2 is -2, 1 into -2 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 4 into 4 upon m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2. Okay, m1 y2, m1 is 1, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 2, y1 is -1. Okay, so 2 into -1 by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2. 1 into -2 is -2, 2 4s are 8. 1 into 3 -3 is -3 plus into minus is minus, 2 1s are 2. Okay, 8 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, same. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 upon 3, comma, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, minus 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are. Okay, so 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Therefore, P of x comma y is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Also, Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1 internally. So Q of x comma y is equals to same formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. As it is dividing AB, so we have to use A and B points, and the ratio is here 2 is to 1. A is 4 comma minus 1, B is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, m1 x2. So m1 x2, m1 is 2, x2 is minus 2, plus m2 x1 is 4 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1, comma m1 y2, m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3, plus m2 y1, okay, by m1 plus m2. 2 2s are 4. Here plus is there, plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, plus 1 into 4 is 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, 2 3s are 6, minus is there, so minus 6, plus into minus, minus 1 1s are 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Okay, by 3, comma, minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 by 3. 0 by 3 is 0, and this is minus 7 by 3. Therefore, Q of x comma y is equals to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Question number 3. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Here in this question we have to find ratio, that is nothing but m1 and m2. Okay, and it has given 2 points, that is A and B, and it is divided by P of x comma y, that is P of minus 1 comma 6. Okay, given A is minus 3 comma 10 and B is 6 comma minus 8. Okay, whenever the 2 points are given together, so it means this is A and this is B, and this point is dividing the line segment A and B. Okay, so let the point P minus 1 comma 6, we are denoting it as P. Okay, this point is dividing AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, because we have to find the ratio, that is m1 and m2 internally. So we have to use ratio formula. P of x comma y is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this point has already given, this point is dividing, so minus 1 comma 6, and m1 same as it is, x2, this is x1 and this is y1, x2 y2. So m1 x2 is 6 plus m2 x1 is minus 3 by m1 plus m2 same as it is, comma m1 y2 is how much, minus 8, m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into y1 is 10 by m1 plus m2. Okay, now multiply this. 6 into m1 into 6 is nothing but 6m1 plus into minus minus 3m2. Similarly, minus 8m1 plus 10m2. P minus 1 comma 6 is equals to 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 comma minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. Now here is equal to sign is there, so first term will be equated with first and second will be equated with second. This is the x coordinate, so these two are equated and these two are equated. 6m1 minus 3m2 by m1 plus m2 is equals to minus 1. Similarly, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 is equals to 6. Okay, now cross multiply. This term will be multiplied here. This one same as it is, 6m1 minus 3m2 is equals to minus 1 into m1 plus m2. 6m1 minus 3m2 is equals to minus 1 into m1 is minus m1, minus 1 into m2 is minus m2. Okay, taking all the terms of m1 one side and m2 here. 6m1 same as it is, and this minus m1 will become plus m1, and here minus m2 is there, and minus 3m2 will become plus 3m2. Okay, transposing the same terms, m1 terms one side, m2 terms one side. 6m1 plus m1 is 7m1, 3m2 minus 1m2 is 2m2. Okay, we want m1 by m2, so take this m2 in the denominator, it will become m1 by m2. 2 same as it is, and this 7 will go here, cross multiplication. Okay, 2 by 7, so m1 by m2 is nothing but 2 by 7, that is nothing but m1 is to m2. Okay, similarly we can find this y coordinate, this equated with 6, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 is equals to 6. Cross multiply. This same as it is, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 is equals to 6 into m1 plus m2. Minus 8m1 plus 10m2 is equals to multiply 6 with both these terms, 6m1 plus 6 into m2, 6m2. Okay, taking all m1 terms at one side and m2 terms at other side. Okay, minus 8m1, take this 6m1 to the left side, it will become minus 6m1 is equals to 6m2, and this 10m2 will become minus 10m2. Transposing here. Okay, so minus 8 and minus 6 will become minus 14m1. 6m2 minus 10m2 is minus 4m2. Minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. Okay, now we want m1 by m2. So take this m2 here in the denominator. So it will become m1 by m2. Minus 4 same as it is, and take this minus 14 here. Minus 4 by minus 14. Okay, this minus gets cancelled. 2 2s are 2 7s are. Okay, m1 by m2 is equals to 2 by 7. Therefore, the ratio m1 is to m2 is 2 is to 7. Question number 4. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram, then taken in order, find x and y. Okay, so these 4 points are the vertices of parallelogram. We have to find x and y. Given ABCD is a parallelogram where A is 1, 2, first point, B is 4, y, and C is x, 6, and D is 3, 5. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. That is, the midpoints of diagonals are equal. See, this is a parallelogram. Okay, A, B, C, D. Diagonals, AC is the diagonal and BD is the diagonal. In this, AC and BD bisect each other. That is nothing but midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So the condition is here, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Through this we can find x and y. Okay, so midpoint of AC means we have to take the A point and C point, midpoint of BD, B and D, and use midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Similarly, for this also midpoint formula. Okay, so this is x1, y1. So x1 is 1 plus x2 is x, 1 plus x by 2, y1 is 2 and y2 is 6 by 2. 1 plus x by 2 same as it is. We can't add x and 1 here. Okay, here 2 plus 6 is 8 by 2. Similarly, here x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is 4 and x2 is 3. 4 plus 3 by 2, y1 is y and y2 is 5. y plus 5 by 2 is equals to 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now here is equal to sign is there. So first term will be equated with first, that is x coordinate, and second will be equated with second. Okay, so 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and 8 by 2 is equals to y plus 5 by 2. 1 plus x by 2 is equals to 7 by 2. These two gets cancelled. Okay, if you take these two here, will be cross multiplied into 2. So again these two will get cancelled. So we can directly cancel it from here. these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. You will get 1 plus x is equals to 7. We want x value, so x is equal to 7. Take this 1 here, it will become minus 1. So x is equals to 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. Similarly, y plus 5 is equals to 2. By 2 is equals to 8 by 2. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Y plus 5 is equals to 8. Y is equals to 8 minus 5. Okay, y is equals to 8 minus 5 is 3. So therefore, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 3. Question number 5. Find the point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. Okay. So this is a circle and given AB is the diameter. Diameter is nothing but a line which is passing through the center of a circle. Okay. This is AB and given center, name it as O, 2, minus 3 and also given B point. We have to find A. Okay. Given a circle with center O, 2, minus 3 and AB is the diameter where B is equals to 1, 4 and let A is equals to x, y. We have to find A coordinate. Okay. See here. O is nothing but midpoint of AB. So we can use midpoint formula here. O is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, where x1, y1, x2, y2 are the points of AB. A is x, y and B is 1, 4. And here O is the midpoint of AB. Okay, so x1 plus x2. So x1 plus x2, that is x plus 1 by 2, y1 plus y2, that is y plus 4 by 2. Okay, so 2, minus 3 is equals to x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. Now equate first term with first and second with second because it's equal to sign is here. So x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2, y plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 3. Okay, so here cross multiply. X plus 1 is equals to 2 to the 4. X is equals to 4. Take this one here, it will become minus 1. So x is equals to 3. Similarly, y plus 4 by 2 is equals to minus 3. Cross multiply. Y plus 4 is equals to 3 to the 6. Y is equals to minus 6 and take 4 here, it will become minus 4. Y is equals to minus 6 minus 4 is nothing but minus 10. Therefore, A of x, y is equals to x is 3, y is minus 10. Question number 6. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively. Respectively means first A is here, so first point is for A and B is next, the next point is for B. Okay, find P such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the segment AB. Okay, given A is equals to minus 2, minus 2 and B 2, minus 4. Also given P lies on AB. AB is a line segment such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB. See, this is a line AB and P is the point on AB. Given AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB. Okay, take this AB here. It will become 3 by 7. It means AB is nothing but 7 and AP is 3. Okay, it means the total line is 7 and AP is 3. So total AB is nothing but AB is AP plus PB. So it has already given AP is 3 and PB will be 4 because here total is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, so PB will be 4. For making it as 7, here 3 is there, so it will be 4. 3 plus 4 will be 7. Okay, as 7 already given, AB is 7, AP is 3, so it means PB will be 4. Okay, so P divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Okay, here ratio is there and it is dividing, so we will use the section formula, that is P of x, y is equals to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, where x1, y1, x2, y2 are nothing but points of A and B. and this is m1 and this is m2. Okay, so now substitute all these values in this formula. Okay, m1 is 3 into x2 is how much? 2. 3 into 2 plus m2 x1. m2 is 4. x1 is minus 2. So negative value write in bracket. Okay, by m1 plus m2 is 3 plus 4. m1 m2. m1 y2, that is 3. y2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 4. y1 is minus 2 by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 4. Okay, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 4 is 7. Similarly, 3 4s are 12, minus is there, so minus 12, plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8 upon 7. 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 7, comma, minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 by 7. Therefore, p of x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7.